Alright, so a buddy asked me how I do my hair. So usually I brush my hair until it's straight. Because, it doesn't really look that good. And if you notice, it's like, it's kind of stiff. My hair's stiff. I have to take off my glasses for this. So I grab one of my headbands. Oh, something I also have to do is do this with the back of my head, okay? This is the pain. And then make sure this is going as tight as possible. Now all of your back hair is in the front, so it should look like this. Wrap your hair. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's not loose. Everything has to be tight, tight, tight. No loose. Start wrapping it around. You might find that you have to tuck it around behind the head or something, behind the headband or something. For a full volume look, I use another headband. Then I tuck it in. I'm gonna be sloppy, but if you're not careful, you can get very sloppy looks like these. I try to make it neat and tuck on all the hair or something so it looks good. So for now, you kind of get that. After that, you start stabbing it in. Be careful, do not stab your head. Just kind of dig it around slowly and make sure you're not stabbing your head. Of course, some of these are clips. This one, you just kind of like tie it around. It kind of acts like support to tie it around. So yeah, I know it doesn't look good right now. It's just like, I'm not trying to make it look good. I'm just trying to make it do a thing. And does this kind of hurt my ears? Yes, it kind of does. And it can. Sometimes it can be okay. But yeah, it's all really trickier and stuff. I would have used like actual fillers or something, but I don't. I haven't bought them yet. I don't have the money yet. So I'm saving. So it's really, you have to get really creative. You have to kind of learn how to like play with it. My hair, it's because I don't take care of it all the time. It's very stiff. So at the same time, it can be tricky and it can be frustrating. You just kind of really gotta believe it'll work. You probably have to ask people, hey, do you think this looks good? Instead of like just to make sure, you know, you don't want to just willy-nilly. I personally have my fiance tell me, hey, does this look good? Does this look convincing? I'm pretty sure if you did this to someone else, though, it would be a lot easier than doing it to yourself. That's really hard. So that's my hanfu hair tutorial, where I am really just that's how I live my life. I just work with what I have. Yeah. I wish I had the hair filler, so I don't actually know how to do hair.